Hi guys, today I'm going to make a tutorial for the chapter 10. So I'm going to find a activity and I'm going to explain it and answer it and going to explain how I answered that activity for you to have a guide if you're going to answer in chapter 10. So this is a tutorial video. So first I'm going to find a activity. So what we have here is the activity application and presentation protocols and standards. So this activity, in this activity, um, we have here the GIF and the FPOP, IMAP, TFTP, JPEG, MPEG, DNS, DHCP, and HTTP. I know that you're all familiar with the GIF, JPEG, and the MPEG that used in the some of the feature that so first going to drag that on the OSI model, which is the application presentation, and the TCP/IP model, which is the application. So in the application, going to drag one. So we have here the DNS. So the DNS is a translate domain name, domain name such as cisco.com into a IP address. So that is for the DNS. For the another one is the IMAP. This is where um this is where it belongs. So um for the IMAP, the IMAP it maintains the it maintains email on the server. It is the one who maintains the email on the server. So it is the IMAP. So for the next one is going to put the HTTP. So again in the OSI model, which is the application. So for the HTTP, um, the HTTP is a set um, set of rules for changing text, graphic images, and other multimedia files on the World Wide Web. So it's the HTTP. So for the next one, we have the DN no, we have the DHCP. So for the DHCP, the DHCP is dynamically assigns IP addresses to client stations at start startup. So that's for the DHCP. For the um for the TFTP, so TFTP is the one who utilized less overhead than FTP. So it utilized less overhead than FTP. And for the POP, so the POP is it enables clients to retrieve email from a mail server. So it enables client to retrieve email from mail server. So that's for the POP. So these all the application. So it's in the OSI model. So and then going to for the OSI model, the presentation. So for the presentation, it's on the OSI model. So for of course we are all familiar in the GIF and the JPEG and the MPEG. So these three. So the GIF. For the GIF, we have the so for the GIF we have the GIF, which is the graphic interchange format. So this one it is a bitmap graphic file format used by the World Web. So Compose Serve and many BBSS. So GIF support color and various resolution. So the next one is the JPEG. So for the JPEG, um, it is so the JPEG it stands for the joint photographic 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 experts group. So this JPEG, it is a popular image file format. So it is commonly used by digital cameras to store photos since it's supported 2 by 24 or 16,777,216 colors. For the next one is we have the MPEG. So for the MPEG, we have the MPEG it's the um moving stand for moving picture experts group. So this MPEG it is developed standard for digital video and digital audio compression. It's operate under the auspices of the International Organization of Standardization, which is the IOS. So this MPEG, and I'm going to put so for the TCP and IP model, it's all in this box. So that's correct. So that's all for the um chapter 10 for the tutorial for the chapter 10. So I hope you learn from what I discussed in this chapter and what I told you to, because it's obvious in the presentation it's more on the graphic third change graphic, photographic, and picture. That's why it's in the presentation. And for the application, it's all in the for the application. So that's all for the chapter 10 tutorial. So thank you guys for watching.